Did a meme page actually just beat the ruling party of India on Instagram? The Cockroach Janta Party or CJP gained over 15 million followers in just 5 days. It started as pure youth anger when a Supreme Court comment comparing certain people to cockroaches went viral. But if you look closer, this isn't just an accidental, random meme trend. The mastermind behind it is a US educated public relation and political strategist who previously handled major digital and meme campaign of Aam Aadmi Party. Now, criticizers are calling it is a highly coordinated, covert political operation backed by the opposition, while its X account has already been blocked in India. So, this is an authentic digital revolution or just a clever political puppet show. What do you think? Let me know below and comment. Hearing me. Thank you for hearing me. Bye.